In late August, Lilac and I drove to Irving to catch a couple of DIY art events and see her new work. Hey, we're here in Irving tonight for the opening of the fall exhibition season. It's still the last day of August, and we're going to some DIY spaces, starting with the 500 Annex. Lilac has some paintings in the show. We're going to check them out, see what she's been up to. When 500X lost their lease early in the year, we all wondered how or if they would continue. But in the DIY art world, survival is sometimes the greatest accomplishment. Where there's a will, there's a way. And so they found a hole in the wall there in Irving to open their new Annex space and continue with their grassroots programming, which supports emerging and unrepresented artists. Well, we checked out the 500 Annex show. Now we're headed over to the Eclectika, where Lilac has some more work.
Yep.
You're just showing all over town tonight.
Yeah, I am. I feel pretty good about that.
Having seen some nice art, and among them some of Lilac's new paintings, we headed back out into the muggy, but not uncomfortable summer evening. Irving has a quiet, small town feel for a growing city in such close proximity to Dallas. In some parts of town, its streets feel almost deserted, like the industrial area where the Eclectika resides.
I'm pretty excited to see some artists.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing your new paintings. There was a nice crowd of young artists hanging outside in the parking lot. We're here at the Eclectika tonight for the fall season opener. It's still August. It's Derek, Anon Air, runs the space. So what's going on tonight?
Well, tonight we're doing our Man It's So Hot in Here show. I didn't want to do a show in August, but decided from peer pressure to do a big show here in August because people wanted to do a big open show. So we did it, and it's been going pretty great. This is our biggest show that we've had here yet, attendance-wise. We've got people in the parking lot. It's spilling over because I've advertised correctly. I said, it's Man, it's so hot in here, and it is. So people are coming outside to enjoy the nice, cool Texas August heat.
Buki's first art show.
Yeah. A whole bunch of stuff. Who knows what else we're gonna have here? So.
Yeah. There may be some surprises in store.
There may be a lot of surprises in the store. People, I can't make enough events for people to be satisfied. It's like more.
Derek and I have been studio mates here for like a year now, a little over a year. And Plush Gallery has been on hiatus, but I think it's ready to come back out. So Plush Projects will debut this fall in the next few weeks alongside the Eclectika's programming.
Yeah, I'm excited because this is, people have said that this is a great area to do things in. We've got some legacy galleries with Plush. We got 500X down the street, so it's a lot of heat that we're bringing here.
It's the hot new arts district in the Metroplex.
Right? Yeah, industrial. Dallas got too expensive and we said, fine, we'll do it ourselves.
There it is. You got to come check it out.
Yeah.
All fall, happening all the time.
Right.
The mean streets of Irving.
The mean streets of Irving.
And because it's above 10, that means you're what's less than 10? I don't have it.
I took a look around with Hookie, glad to still be a part of the DIY art scene here in Texas, after all these years. We went back inside to get hydrated because these days it's all about self-care. And with that, we headed back out into the night. How was the show tonight?
Oh, it was really nice. I feel like I'm getting more active in being a professional artist. I can say that.
Nice. Well, I know Hookie had a fun time tonight.
Oh, she did. Hookie! Hookie's a happy girl. Let's go home, Hookie.